Your fitness goals mean absolutely nothing. Your habits do. And right now, your diet is failing you because you are chasing a wish list instead of building a real-world structure. If you are over 40, struggling with your energy, and constantly failing to stick with your nutrition, it's not your low testosterone. It is what you are putting in your mouth. Stop looking for the next perfect meal plan or anti-inflammatory hack or whatever BS fad diet is trending this week. Your nutrition isn't failing because you are missing a secret. It's failing because you refuse to let the basics do the job. Most men approach nutrition as a jail sentence. You think of dieting in blocks of 12 to 16 weeks. But let's be real, even if you have the grit to stick to miserable plan for 4 months, what happens the day it ends? If you haven't changed your foundational habits, you rebound. You gain all the weight back, and usually few extra pounds for a good measure. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? Dieting is temporary. Lifestyle and good habits are forever. I don't want to look good just for summer holiday. I want to feel great all the time. And I want to feel elite when I'm 70 years old. I want to get out of bed without too much pain. I want the energy to play with grandkids. That requires lifestyle structure, not 16-week diet. And that structure starts with your immediate environment. In my house, we don't wander around supermarket aimlessly wondering what to buy. We get fresh ingredients delivered twice a week. And we cook all our meals from scratch at home. There is zero ultra-processed food in our basket. Now, does that mean our kitchen is the perfect fitness sanctuary? Absolutely not. I have a teenager who brings chocolate bar or bag of crisps home from work. That's real life. That is what balanced life actually looks like. Because the baseline structure of the house is locked down, a bag of crisps doesn't derail the system. And understanding the baseline system is exactly how you master the physics of food. Look, let's get one thing straight. Calories in, calories out is absolute fact. There is no ifs, buts or maybe about it. If you want to drop body fat, you have to be in calorie deficit. But while the maths is physical, the execution is entirely psychological. Nutrition is psychological problem disguised as a physical one. Human beings don't run on spreadsheets. We run on feelings, stress and emotions. The moment you try to restrict food to lose weight, you feel uncomfortable. Your primary survival instinct kicks in and orders you to search for food. Even just staying at maintenance is hard enough today, when hyper-rewarding junk food is available at a click of a button. And the fitness industry answer to this psychological battle? Complete nonsense. They tell you to eat plain chicken and dry rice or follow meat-only restriction. That is a miserable way to live and is completely incompatible with a happy family life. You don't need to suffer to make the food work. The way forward is high protein, high fiber, some complex carbs and lots of water. And yes, foods that include real flavors. Food is meant to be enjoyed with your family, not tolerated like medical prescription. Here is the truth. My partner and I eat food we absolutely love. Yes, we do eat chicken, rice and vegetables. But we also eat cakes, chocolate and pastries. And we both stay fit. Why? Because our baseline habits stay consistent. Meaning pastry is not a failure. It's just part of the structure. Bad diet is rarely just a food problem. It's a lifestyle symptom. If you are chronically stressed, sleep deprived and lacking healthy ways to decompress from demanding week, your brain automatically craves high reward junk comfort. When you add drastic food restriction on top of that fatigue, you trigger vicious cycle. You restrict, you burn out, you binge. This constant yo-yo dieting creates massive weight fluctuations that leave you feeling defeated and you lose self-belief. It's time to stop punishing yourself with extreme rules. Even if you need to lose weight, stop looking for rapid extreme fix. Do it in gradual, sustainable lifestyle fashion. Rather than drastic diet, focus on building a healthier, more balanced daily life and let the physical results follow naturally. Optimizing nutrition and hormones is only the beginning. Optimizing your mindset, habits and lifestyle is the rest of the game. Framework built on balanced nutrition, balanced exercise, weight training and balanced day-to-day life. It's what creates healthy, successful and happy people. If you are over 40, whether you are on TRT or not, and ready to stop guessing and start building your lifestyle that matches your capacity, I would love to help. I am currently looking for 4 serious men to join my case study sessions. We will start with free 20-minute discovery call, whether we are a good fit and I can genuinely help you. If you are interested, send me an email using the address in description and tell me little about your situation. I would love to hear from you.